morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome once again to Learn Maths with Bola. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos. And if you are just watching my video for the first time, thank you for watching this video. I'm really grateful and it means so much to me. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can also get notifications anytime I post new videos, because I'm sure that there are more videos coming. Math is so wide and so broad. We have a lot of topics to cover. Thank you, and let's move on. Our topic today is writing in words. So today I'll be talking about writing in words. I've done a previous video on writing in words before, and in that video I explained the concept of writing a 3-digit number in word. So you can please check that video to understand where we are coming from and the principles that we follow. So let's move on. Write in words 1 3 4 5. 1 3 4 5. Now the step we follow is very simple. Just write out the numbers one by one. Then you put the place value of the numbers on each of them. After that, the next step, for this one where you have 1,000, 100, tens and unit number. So what do? So we write 1 as 1,000. Why? Because the position of 1 is 1,000. So we write the number 1 as 1 as in ONE. Then we write the position 1,000 to show that the position of that one is 1,000. Then we go to the next one, which is 3, and the position of 3 is 100. So we write it as 300. But the last two numbers are not written individually as 4 tens or 5 units. What we do is to write it as 4 5. What will you call 4 5 in, if you are reading numbers? That is 45. So we have 1,345. So the procedure is just simple. Write out the numbers. Then for the 1,000, you write it as the 1,000, comma 300. Then the last two numbers. The idea is that the 100 tens and units, like we did in the previous video, you have 3 4 5 here, and that will be 345. That part is easy. It is just 1,000 that is coming in that is a little bit different, that makes it a little bit different from the previous video. Let's try another example. Write in words 4751. 4751. Very easy. Write out those numbers individually, then put their place value. Now the next step, the first number in this question is 4. So we write it as 4,000. 4 and the place value of 4. Then the hundreds, you have 7, which will give me 700. The last two number is 5 and 1. 5 and 1. So we write it as 51. So the answer will be 4,751. Let's match the following. Match the following. 4 5 6 7. 4 5 6 7. The first one is what? Looking at it, there's a 4-digit number, so that means it will have 1,000. So we start from 4,567. Then the second one is 645, which is a 3-digit number. So this will have hundreds only, no 1,000. So 645. Then the last number is 93 46. So that gives us 9,346. So it's as simple as anything. If you don't get it, please, you can watch the videos, and while watching, don't just watch. Try your hands on some questions. Try solving some questions, because the more you answer questions, the more understanding you have. Then, good job. Let's move on. Write in words 5061. 5061. Looking at this, there is 0. You'll be wondering, how will I write the 0? Very simple. So 5, we have 5,000, right? It should be 5,000. So a place value, 5, we have a place value of 1,000. Now the 0 part does not have a value. So that means we won't write anything for hundreds. The 0 part, no value, is standing in the position 100. So the 100 position does not have a number. 0 at this point is just assumed that it's not, we are not going to write it as 0, 100. So we have 5,061. You know, in English, when you are listing something and you start writing them, when you start listing, you write it as, I bought chocolate, gum. You just keep listing, and when you get to the last thing you bought, you introduce the word and this, maybe and biscuits, so that, or cookies, so that you are then trying to tell the person you are talking to that after the cookies, I didn't buy anything else. So this is the same idea with this place value. You are trying to say that after the 61, nothing else is there. So the 61 is the last thing. So you just say and 61. Write in words is 9009. Don't forget writing out the numbers. Then 9 is 9,000. Here you have 110's no value. So what do you think should happen? Yes, we introduce the word and. So you have 9,009. Saying that 9,009 is the only numbers here. As simple as that. So try your hands on questions so that you can have a glimpse and understand this better. So now we have a 5-digit number. Don't forget to write it out. Then you count 3 numbers, then the comma. So you introduce the comma at this point. Now before the comma, you have 6 and 8. Do you think we'll write 6 10,000 and 8,000? No, definitely not. What we'll do, just like your tens and units are always together, your 10,000 and your 1,000 are together too. So you have 68, not 6 10,000 or 8 10,000. So you have 68. Then the common thing to both of these is what? 1,000. So you have 68,000 followed by 900. Then the last two, 46. So we write them out together. 68,946. As simple as that. Let's try this next question. 89341. We have 89,000, right? 89,300. Then the last two, 71. So when we write it out, we'll write it as 89,371. So let's match the following. Let me just count to 20 so that you can try it. Then we'll do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've done 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I've done 1 to show you what to do in case you don't know what to do. So we have done 45,678. So the next one is 12,312. Then we have 80,935. The last one is 95,601. So write in words 20300. Simple procedure, we're following the same steps. So we introduce the comma, and here you have the number 20. So what do we have? We have 20, then the common position of the 2 and the 0, something common to them is 1,000. So we have 20,300. Now the 00 is going to be blank. It's going to be blank because there is no number there. The only number there is 0, and in this we are not going to write the 0 out. So looking at this, we can't write 20,300. Something is missing. So what is missing? We have to write the word "and" to show that after 20,000, the only number that is coming after it is 300. So we have 20,000 and 300 to show that after 300, the next number is blank, then is 0, the next one is also 0. So try the following, and don't forget, you can just try them. Don't forget to try them. Then the solutions is available on my Facebook page for Learn Math with Bola. So just check our Facebook page for Learn Math with Bola. You have the solutions there. Then it's also available on the Instagram page. Then I'll pin this also so that you can access it through different platforms. So try your hands on this question, and if you want to reach me, you can always reach me via my email learnmathwithbola@gmail.com. So you can always reach me on that email to give me suggestions, or if you have questions, or if you have anything you want to talk to me about on these topics. Thank you.